Hey guys, until now we have seen single level and multi-level inheritance, and in this video we will see about multiple inheritance. So look at this picture guys, you will get an idea about single level, multi-level and hierarchical, the exact difference between it. So precisely talking about the differences in single level, multi-level and hierarchical, you can see in this picture only one class has been only one class B inherits class A. Here in multi-level, class B and class C inherits class A. Class B inherits class A and class C inherits class B. In hierarchical, you can see class B and class C both inherits class A. So this is the difference between the types of inheritances, those three types of inheritances. Now what we'll do is we'll study hierarchical inheritance in this video. So let's see first let's start with its definition. When two or more classes inherits a single class, it is known as hierarchical inheritance. In the example ahead, dog and cat classes. Dog and cat classes inherits the animal class. So there is hierarchical inheritance. So two classes extending one single class. This is where something different we are doing now. So do focus and watch till the end guys. And let us open our SCS tool. Under inheritance package, I will create a new class named hierarchical. Hierarchical inheritance. I'll click on main method, finish. Now we will create new classes, class animal. It will show red line because we have already class named animal. So I will give different name, class animal 2. Now red line will disappear, and we will create class dog extends animal 2. Again it will show red line because we have dog class in inheritance package. No same name of class is allowed in the same package. So I will change the name dog 2. Even dog 1 we have, so I will give the name as dog 2, and we will have a new class cat extends animal 2. So what different thing we have done is we have extended animal to class in by these two classes dog 2 and cat. So now what we will do is we will create an instance of cat class. No, sorry. First we need to declare, we need to define a method in all these classes. So what animal does is eat. What dog does is bark. What cat does is meow. Now what we will do is we will create an instance of class cat, and let's try to access all these methods in the classes. Cat c equal to new cat instance has been created. This is called as, I will comment, this is called as instantiation. I'll comment it. and on the instance C I will call first of all its own method. Let's see if it works. I will use shortcut key to run this program now, guys. Clicking right click again, using right click again and again will be hectic, so Control plus F11 is a shortcut key, and it works. C.meow, and this method works. Now I will call superclass method, that is eat. Let's see if it works. Yes, I have run this program and eating in the console. You can see output. We have got output of a superclass animal 2, that is eating. Now let's see if we can access a bark method in the dog2 class, which has no relevance with the cat class, because cat class doesn't extend dog class. Cat class only extends animal2 class, and dog class has not been extended by cat class. So let's see if it works. C dot bark. Guys, there is a red line, so it is not allowed. So I will comment this and give a message, not allowed. You cannot access dog2 method bark from the on the instance of cat class. There is no relevance between these two classes. So this is what the difference we have between single level, multi level, and hierarchical inheritance. So that's it, guys. Signing off. Thank you.